everyone. So we're here in the shed of Keith's house, in his backyard, which is here in Gulfport, Florida. Keith is responsible for all of the woodwork that you see, but mainly the wooden dowels that you receive when you order a bracelet from us. So it's an entire process, and this is the individual behind it. We typically drop off a whole box, multiple boxes. They come in full length, and then it runs its course, from which we're about to show you. So it's a really cool process, and yeah, just wanted to show you all the man behind the plan. So Keith, thank you so much for everything you do for us. We really appreciate it.
No worries. So I'd move over here, take a few over here at a time, stack them here like I have them here. Usually with my ear protection. I'm not going to bother because I'm only going for a few minutes for the demonstration. Mm-hmm. So we have what I call my little robot arm here. This is going to be sanding while I don't have to hold on to it while it's running, and then I can work on another piece and then switching back. Kind of do the quality control as you're going with each step.
Absolutely, you have to for sure. So camera, I don't know if we caught it earlier, but we run the branding perpendicular from the.
It's upright with
that
the grain, the wood. Not that it really would matter, but it makes it easier to keep them both in the same orientation. A little while, I have marks on the head, so I keep track of where they are, what direction it is, and that's good and hot. Smoking right away. This jig I made up allows me to roll it a little bit without moving it on the. And sometimes they'll stick. It was hotter than normal, so we got a little extra burn on that, but it's nice and clear.
So you got ArtiKen stuff all over. Check it out. He's actually the individual who also created the retail stand that we see in our accounts around the U.S. Yeah, some prototype stuff for the originals.
All right, so this is the last step?
Yes, the finish is applied. It's just vegetable oil that we've been using lately. It's non-toxic and pretty healthy sort of option. And it is vegetable oil. There's no peanut in it or anything like that. I dip them. Sometimes I'll brush it totally. It doesn't matter. Okay. You don't have to wear special gloves or anything because it's just it's vegetable oil.
Yeah.
Just moisturize your hand. And then just wipe them off, all the excess with a paper towel, give them a little polish, and then set them aside to dry for a little while.
That was an excellent recommendation on Keith's behalf. We try to be as environmentally conscious as possible. We use a lot of wood instead of plastic for our packaging, but his recommendation, prior to vegetable oil, we were using a stain, so a paint-based stain, a lot of chemicals, and he had passed forth the idea of using vegetable oil, which really gives off practically the same look and a much more environmentally friendly product. So yeah, now our product is lace and vegetable oil to give that beautiful stain that we want to have on the dowels. So that's the last part, and then I pick them up and ship them out to all of you or someone else, or most likely Connor or Cameron or somebody is. So thank you all for touring Keith's beautiful wood shop. Hopefully it'll continue to expand, and we'll find new ways to do other stuff.